Hi there and welcome to today's video where I'll be showing you how to make a corn on the cob or an ear of corn, whatever you want to call it. This is an old model but I'll be showing you how I made it. So for this tutorial you'll need some green polymer clay and some yellow, and I'm just going to start off by rolling the clay out. And I'm going to make some basic leaf shapes with my blade tool here. And moving on to the yellow clay, I'm going to make like a flat sausage shape really. It's difficult to explain but I'm sure you'll see what I'm doing. And going back to my blade tool, I'm going to make a series of very narrow lines with the yellow clay. And with each line, I'm just using my needle tool to create some little indentations that should give the impression of some corn once they're all added together in a line. And this is then placed onto the yellow sausage. And I'll repeat the process with the other lines of yellow clay. I'm sorry about the quality of lights in this video. If you watched my last video, you'll know that I've been having some issues with my neck, so I've been really trying to perch myself in different positions just to see what kind of works best really. But I think this particular setup isn't terribly good for quality of lighting, so I'll try and address that for the next one. It's all learning though. And on to the next one. And that's just placed onto the yellow sausage. You might have to kind of tinker around with them just so that they sit nicely next to one another. And you'll see that it's looking a lot more like corn now. It's also known as maize, isn't it? So, gosh, there'll be a few different tags on this video. So now I'm going to place the corn onto one of the leaves, and I just need to shorten it so it fits nicely. And just pat those together. And with another leaf, I'm just going to attach that to the sides. And what I'm trying to do here is to create like a wave to the clay, so it creates a nice little flourish really. And you might need to tinker around with this for a little while, I know I did. And just to neaten things off, I'm just going to add just a little dot of clay at the top. So I'm going to bake my corn now, so you'll need to refer to your own brand of polymer clay's baking instructions. And once it's all baked and cooled, I'm just going to add some sculpey glaze just to give a nice sheen to the corn. 2 coats is always best. And if you wanted to, you could make your corn into perhaps a brooch. So I've just got some fastenings here that I think I got off eBay really cheaply, and I'm using 2-part epoxy glue here, like Araldite if you're in the UK, and that will make it really secure, but you'll need to allow about 24 hours for it to dry properly. And there you have a brooch if you like one, but of course you can use it just as a prop really. This isn't quite as detailed as my previous model, really, as I'm trying to avoid perching over my work too much at the moment, but you can go as detailed as you like really. Thanks very much for watching. I'll be back soon, probably with another food tutorial next time around, so yep, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.